guys? Welcome to the channel. Good morning. So today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to look at a truck. I don't know, could this be the next build on the channel? I'm not sure. We will see, but hopefully the traffic ain't too bad. I'm gonna be taking the Corvette today. I go into town. The weather's not very nice right now, but Corvette's super dirty, so I don't really care. We're gonna head on over there. Hopefully there's no debris in the way of the car because the thing is super low. But I'm gonna go grab it. I actually had it at my parents because I'm gonna be cleaning my garage probably later today or tomorrow. So I got the car into their garage for now until I clean this one. But yeah, let's go ahead and start the car up and head on out. Check this out. This used to be a car wash. Yeah, like that building right there is a bank, and you can see just the two windows right there, and then like all those blown out. And this side, there's like almost all of them blown out right over here. But there's the roof of that Walgreens or CVS. I mean, it's crazy. I don't want to go through that one again. It's gonna take a long time to recover from it. Sad, sad stuff. We are here. Here's the truck. This is gonna be, let's see. This will be the first time I ever start this thing, so it's real dirty right now. So I'm gonna be cleaning it for him, actually. All right. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around of this thing. As you guys know by the title, it is a 12 valve Cummins. It's a 1997 12 valve single cab long bed. I know a lot of people don't like long beds. I like long beds. They're pretty practical. I'm not a big fan of long beds on like a crew cab. That's too big. But single cab long bed, I think it looks awesome. But yeah, super clean truck. It's my buddy's truck, and he's selling it. So I figured I would come by and show you guys and kind of see what you guys thought of it. Of course, 4-wheel drive. It actually has a built Suncoast transmission in it. I think it's built to handle like 700-800 horsepower. And this is kind of what I was talking about in the last video. If I were to buy a 12 valve or a 7.3 or something, and it did have mods, it'd have to have tasteful mods and mods that, you know, weren't cheap. So I've seen the work he's put into it and the money he's got into it. So I just want to kind of show you guys around it. Only like 90-something thousand miles on this truck, and it's like, it's as clean as it gets, really. I mean, it's probably one of the cleanest ones in the country. If I were to get it, I would get different wheels and tires, of course, but I might end up leaving it the same height. Not too sure. I'd probably give it a little more stance. I definitely wouldn't like make it as big as my Duramax, but super clean. There's some spots in the paint that need to be worked on, like right here, the clear coat. He actually had it painted like a week after he got it, and the guy that painted it did an awful job, and the clear coat didn't hold up. But that, to me, that's not an issue, because if you're gonna buy an old truck, odds are the paint's not gonna be in that great of shape. But that's not a big deal because I will wrap this thing. That's the goal. If I were to get this thing, I will wrap it, and I'll probably let you guys decide on what I'm gonna wrap it, what color. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside real quick. Pretty, I mean, just besides this tear in the seat, I mean, everything else is super clean. These dashes are known to crack pretty easily. I think there's like a few tiny little, there's one right there. There's tiny cracks in here. So it's pretty impressive. Got a Matt's audio system. I think it's, how many eighths? I believe it's like, I don't know, don't do this. I believe it's 3/8 in the back, I believe, something like that. I'm not too sure. 3/8, 4/8. It's either 3 or 4/8, I believe. But yeah, triple gauge there on the pillar. I also have one right there as well. And of course, like I said, guys, 4-wheel drive. New Pioneer head unit as well. What else we got here? So, I mean, I was basically with them every step of the way with this truck, so I kind of know it inside and out. I know kind of what's been put into it. Like underneath, look how clean underneath is. I mean, this truck and my truck just took basically a Cat 5 Hurricane, but look how clean this truck is underneath. You got to think, this thing's 21 years old. Got the Mag high-tech diff covers, horn blasters, train horns. As you can see, 5-inch straight pipe, axle dump, 7-inch tip. What else we got here? The Toyos, they're all the ATs, really good tires, no rust at all. It's just a flawless truck. The Mag high-tech up front as well. Yeah, guys, it's a sweet truck. UWS toolbox. This truck, believe it or not, is actually pretty fast already. He's got some pretty decent mods done to it. There it is. So there's the fast, maybe? No, he's got an air dog. Yeah, he's got an air dog. There is the sump for it. Big fuel tank. But yeah, look how clean this thing is. Super clean. And the height of it's perfect. Like, here, I'll sit, I'll go in it again. The height is just, it literally is perfect. It's not too high, it's not too low either, it's not slammed or anything like that. Just a good daily drivable truck. Here, I'll start her up. All right, ready to go. There she is. 93,000 miles on this thing. There's all your pillar gauges here. Just barely getting onto it. You can just feel like it just feels so much different than my truck. It's like a big tractor engine. You can just feel the whole truck shake when you just tap the gas. It doesn't have a crazy amount of power, but it's not like it's stock by any means. It's not even close to stock, but it's got a lot more room to grow. You know, I want to, if I were to get this thing, I would probably be wanting to get that 600 to 700 horsepower range. You know, keep it somewhat reliable, and yeah, that's the goal for now. But I'll see you guys back in the car. In case you guys didn't see in my previous videos, this is where my boat's stored. You can actually see it right there. You can barely see it from here. You're gonna probably won't be able to see it in the video, but there's the barn my boat is kept, and that boat right there is our other boat, and they're both untouched to my knowledge. This boat's 100% untouched. Heading back home, and we're gonna call it a night. The weather still kind of sucks. Looks like it's about to rain again. It's pretty windy right now, but I'll see you guys at the house. I'm gonna kind of talk some things over, just see what you guys think. All right, guys, I'm back home. Just wanted to kind of talk to you guys about that truck and kind of my thoughts on it. So as you guys can see, super clean truck, not one bit of rust on that truck. And the mods that have been done to it are good mods that don't make the truck less reliable or anything like that. All it does is make it more reliable. transmission's the weak point of a lot of these Dodges, and he's already addressed that. He's got a built Suncoast, so that's been taken care of. Everything else is just super clean, other than the front, the paint job from just sitting in the Florida sun, I guess. The paint job's only a couple years old though. The guy that did it just did a poor job, so that's not a big deal though. I know Dodge, especially older Dodge's paint doesn't last that long anyways, so easy to fix. Kind of sand it down, maybe do a nice wrap. Definitely gonna do a wrap if I do get that truck, but yeah, single cab, long bed so far, and I've only looked at one truck so far, and that one's definitely the leader right now. And until I find another truck, 7.3, it's gonna have to be a clean truck. A lot of people were voting 7.3 in the last video. A lot of people voted 12 valve also, but the thing is, 7.3 is super hard to make fast. A lot more expensive to make fast. There's a lot more parts for a 12 valve. It's a lot easier to work on, and so that's another pro to the 12 valve over the 7.3. The 7.3 is not out of it by any means yet. Not set in stone, not 100% getting it. I just wanted to show you guys how clean that thing is. And next thing I want to go over is me and JW are going to be having a truck meet up in Augusta, Georgia, December 1st. Follow me on Instagram, I already announced it on there. But December 1st, and it's going to be at Tim's Harley Davidson in Augusta, Georgia. I'll put all that information down below for that, and we hope to see all you guys there. You don't have to have a Duramax, you don't have to have a diesel, whatever you have, come on out. Preferably trucks, but it don't matter. You know, you don't have to have a truck. Just show up. Obviously, we don't just want all cars there. If you do have a truck, we do prefer trucks, but plenty of room. We don't want it to get out of hand or anything like that. No burnouts and stuff like that. Just kind of a chill truck meet. You know, we'll have some merch up there. I'll have some key tags and stuff like that if people want some. And yeah, hope to see you guys there. Like I said, December 1st, Augusta, Georgia, at Tim's Harley Davidson. And yeah, me and JW will be there. Anthem Off-Road will be there. A few other vendors will be there. I think King Built Custom, they're the ones that made my custom exhaust tip. They should be there with a booth set up. They'll be selling some exhaust tips for pretty cheap. And maybe some more vendors will be there. So hope to see you guys there. Let me know in the comments if you can make it. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of the truck. I think the truck's a badass truck. It's really super clean. Everything that's been done to it, as I said, is all good mods, and I can just build off that. So definitely love the truck. But yeah, let me know. Let me know in the comments. If you can find me a clean 7.3 or another clean 12 valve, let me know. DM me on Instagram. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a great time. Me and JW will be posted up there. We want to meet all you guys. We do appreciate all your support here on the channel. And I know my channel has been going through some kind of rough up and downs. His is doing great, which is awesome. But you know, I appreciate you guys sticking with me, and the ones that aren't getting notified, I do appreciate you guys looking out and checking on the channel and seeing if I'm still posting, because there's still so many people that aren't getting notified. Now, the last couple of videos I've posted, the views are better than they have been. Not great, but it's getting better. So hopefully it just keeps on climbing. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for all the support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Let's get this video to 500 likes also. My last video was at like 300 and something. They're almost 400, I think, both of them. So that's very good. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.